We're going to be reading for sign of Aquarius, so all that I need to know about your person moving forward. So what is happening with Aquarius in the month of May? Soulmate connections. Let's take the next 15 days. What is going on with you? First three cards for you. Right now, the Elephant card, I see you guys very focused on yourself. Some of you might be also wanting to go for higher learning. Okay, you guys are trying to listen to your intuition, all that you have gone through, your lessons. You guys are taking all into account. I see you focusing very much on your long term future, your stability. Some of you might also be wanting to get your finances more stable or your business more stable. Okay, one more card. What else do we see coming up for Aquarius? With Four of Swords, I don't see you doing much in terms of your relationship. I see you holding back a lot. Okay, I do not see you openly expressing yourself, openly taking action or wanting to take action. You're just holding back. You're just not wanting to do much. You're just focused entirely on yourself. Okay, if someone comes off with that player energy, like a fuck boy, fuck girl, you're not gonna give a fuck about that. You're just gonna want to hold on to yourself, going to focus on yourself and do you. That's all. Okay, I also see many of you guys focused on your healing. Some of you might have not been well in terms of your health, and you guys are trying to, recover from all that you have been through. Okay. What else do we see coming up for Aquarius? In terms of Four of Cups, we even if you have offers, even if you have opportunities, even if you have options, I don't see you accepting them or taking anyone seriously. Maybe that you have offers, maybe you have options, but not the one you wanted. Okay, he or she, the one you wanted might not be around. Okay, but you may have other options which you, I do not think you are very open to. Okay, what else? In terms of relationship, what's going on with the Aquarius? In terms of relationship with Three of Pentacles, I believe your person, your partner has been holding back a lot lately. Like they haven't been putting in that effort, haven't been showing any sort of interest or behaving like a partner at all. They've just been hiding. They've just been holding back. They've just been sneaky. Okay, so they've not been putting in that effort that you'd want them to put. Okay, what else do we see for Aquarius? Some of you might be dealing with the Sagittarius, some of you with the Taurus. Okay, like could be any sign in particular, but these are the signs I see. With Ace of Cups, you still love them. Okay, you might be hiding that or not wanting to accept that. Aquarius sign is a very smart sign, a very witty sign, a very straightforward sign. So sometimes having feelings for someone who might not want you back might trigger you a lot, right? But that's fine. Love makes you crazy. Even no matter how smart you are, where you are in life, it kind of freaks you out a bit. But with the Ace of Cups, I do feel this is the love of your life for some of you. Okay, in terms of your person, what are they going through? What's your person going through? Your person, I believe, has been on the run. Okay, they've just been missing. They've just been not wanting to face you. They've just silent. Okay, they might be stalking you. They might be keeping a watch on your social media if you have social media, or in whichever means they can keep a watch on you. But in the recent past, you guys could have got some sort of attention, but then they went silent again. Okay, one more card. How do they think about you now? How do they truly think about you? This person doesn't reveal much. They keep a lot, stuff to themselves. Okay, so not a very open person in terms of communication and whatever is happening. With Ten of Wands, I believe they look at this connection more like a burden. Like it's heavy, it's difficult. It's something that they cannot manage. Okay, it's something that they cannot handle. Something that they cannot stay open to. What's blocking them, Spirit? What's really getting in the way or have got in the way? I believe for some of you, their work life could have possibly got in the way. Like they've been busy with their projects or work or career. Okay, for selected few of you, this person could be already married. Not for all, but for selected few, this person cannot give you commitment, and they fear this thing ending bad with you. So they are not very ready for this. Okay, in terms of their intentions towards you, what are their intentions towards you moving forward in the month of May? Intention with Five of Cups, I do feel they have regrets with what whatever they've done to you or whatever they've made you go through. But in terms of intentions with Five of Cups, they may want to apologize for whatever they've made you go through, but I don't see them wanting to fix things, because they fear a lot. They are kind of someone who doesn't really take that risk. Okay. In terms of action, what action do we see them taking forward? In terms of action as well, I do not see this person taking action. They are rather running away from you or staying away from you. Okay. One more card. In terms of what can you expect from this person now, what can you possibly expect from this person? Strength card. This person is going to hide, this person is going to resist, this person is going to stay away. Okay. In terms of their feelings, what do they truly have for you? So for many of you with the Four of Cups, you may be feeling left out, you may be feeling taken for granted. Okay. In terms of feelings, how do they feel for you? Their real feelings for you. Sun card. You actually make them happy. You are their happiness. You are someone that gives them that warm feeling. Okay. But they've always made it look like friendship. They've always pushed you away and made you believe that this is nothing more than friendship. Okay. One more card. Like, what do they have in their heart space? What do they truly have in their heart space? In terms of their heart space as well, this person isn't ready for a commitment. Okay. They've always been wanting to keep it as a give and take relationship, something very practical. They are not very much ready to commit to you or have any sort of solid relationship with you. Okay. One more card. In terms of their head space, what's happening? I also see this person very focused on themselves, all about themselves, kind of but selfish as well. But with Queen of Pentacles in their headspace, they still want to maintain this connection in some which way, but not face you completely, like not really be there, invest, like emotionally be available. Rather, they are wanting to stay away, but they do care a lot about it. They do think a lot about you. How do they view you now? One card for how do they truly view you now? They view you now as someone with the King of Swords energy, someone who's kind of pissed off, someone who's waiting for answers, someone who may cut them off if they say something wrong, or they kind of get you mad, or they get you triggered. Okay, but they majorly know that you're waiting for answers. Okay, with King of Swords, and you're not going to sit there, taking their crap forever. They know that you're going to cut them off if they come in any sort of distorted energy. Okay, one more card. Like, what do they want from you now? What do they really want from you? Six of Wands. So this person only comes to you when they want their attention, but as soon as things get messed up or bit heavy, they run away, right? So they'll always come back for your attention. I do not see this ending now. The problem is they are not ready for commitment, and that's going to get in the way, or that's going to stop this connection from moving forward in terms of a long-term connection. One card for what can you expect from this person throughout the month of May. With Page of Pentacles, you'll hear back from them. If they've gone silent, they will message you. Okay. With Judgment in the reverse, I do see this person holding back or resisting from taking any sort of action or decision based on you. But in terms of message, I do see them messaging you eventually. What else do we need to know about Aquarius soulmate? So in the past, this might have just been a rebound relationship for them, something casual, something that they were not serious about, something that like that they always took for granted. They were not really up for any sort of relationship. One more card. What should Aquarius be knowing? Commitment phobia. So just like I told you, they are not ready for commitment. Okay. In the future wise, what do we see coming? Future wise, I do see them coming back. So I love you, I want you, I'm ready. But this might not connect with each and every one of you, but you can relate yourself with the energy and the their intention and how they think. But the outcome might not resonate for each and every one of you, since it's a general reading. It might not. But yes, I do see them returning. However, the commitment might be a problem. Okay. So yes, this is all I have for you in terms of Aquarius soulmate love reading for the month of May. If it resonated, kindly hit the like button. Please support the channel. Please support your sign. I'll do more if it gets that sort of attention. Okay, thank you so much for coming in and for the time you've taken to watch this video. I hope to see you soon, guys. All those who want a personal reading, please do reach out my website or my WhatsApp or my email, and we could look forward to it. Thank you so much, and see you soon, guys. Cheers.